You know that feeling when you retrying to put on your favorite pair of shoes and the sides are creaking because your feet have expanded? This happens to you frequently? I have a game plan to help. Today we're addressing a common yet often overlooked issue among seniors: swollen feet. By age 60, a whopping 50% of us will experience swollen feet and ankles due to slowing circulation. But here's the catch: edema isn't just uncomfortable. It can sometimes be a silent red flag indicating serious underlying conditions, such as heart, liver, or kidney problems. So whether you're dealing with this right now or simply want to be proactive about your health, this guide is your compass. Think of it as your trusted companion, designed to help you navigate through this condition. Let's start with a solid morning routine. When you wake up, take 2 minutes to do ankle pumps while seated, as I'm going to show you right now. Bend one foot at the ankle, point your toes towards your nose, hold for 5 seconds, then switch to the other foot. Repeat 5 times on each side. And no, you don't need fancy equipment. Just use your own body weight. This helps move the stagnant fluid, kickstarts your circulation, and preps your legs for the day. Now I'll let you in on a secret hydration hack. Start your day with a glass of lemon water with a pinch of Himalayan salt. This combo is a powerhouse for reducing swelling. The salt helps your body get rid of excess sodium, which is often the main culprit behind water retention and swelling. A little lemon juice adds a nice flavor and an extra boost of vitamin C to support your immune system. It's a simple habit, but trust me, your body will thank you. As the day progresses, it's important to stay proactive. I recommend the toe tap technique. This involves tapping the toes of one foot for about 3 minutes every hour. This rhythmic tapping motion stimulates the lymphatic system and encourages fluid drainage from your feet. You can do this while working, watching TV, or even during a phone call. No excuse. Now let's talk about compression socks. These are like supportive sleeves for your legs. Gently squeeze your feet and lower legs, helping to push the fluid back up towards your heart. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to put one on right now so you can see how it's done. Look at that. Isn't that better? Now remember, they should be snug but not too tight. If they're cutting off circulation, you're doing it wrong. Imagine wearing a hat that's slightly too tight. Your head might feel a bit squeezed, but it's not causing any real harm. That's how compression socks should fit. A gentle hug for your legs. All right, time for some afternoon motivation. Here's a simple trick. Place a towel or blanket on the floor and lie down. Rest your legs on the towel and lift both legs up so they resting against the wall or furniture. What's the magic here? Well, gravity is our friend. It helps pull that extra fluid out of your feet. Plus, this position opens up the valves in your veins, allowing blood to flow more easily. As the day winds down, it's time for my evening elevation protocol. For 15 minutes before bed, elevate your legs again, but this time aim to get them above your heart. Now you can prop yourself up with pillows, bean bags, or whatever you've got handy. Here's a demonstration using a stack of pillows. Feel free to adjust the height based on your comfort level. You're not aiming to be at a 90-degree angle, just a bit elevated. This helps drain the fluids and reduce overnight swelling. Speaking of nighttime, let's discuss some critical do's and don'ts. Do check for pitting edema. Press your skin for 5 seconds. If a dent remains when you release pressure, it's time for a chat with your doctor. You've got pitting edema, a sign that there's excess protein in your body's tissues. Speaking of protein, let's talk about a natural anti-inflammatory. Cold cabbage leaf wraps. Take a whole leaf, roll it up, place it in the freezer for about 2 hours until firm. Once frozen, apply it to your swollen area. Change it every hour for the first 4 hours, and then every 2 hours overnight. Trust me, the cold compress will help reduce inflammation and alleviate the discomfort of swollen feet. Here's a big one. Avoid crossing your legs. Sitting with both legs down on the ground allows for better blood circulation. When you cross your legs, you're essentially creating a blockade. You're constricting the blood vessels and impeding the flow of blood and oxygen to your feet. Over time, this can make swelling worse. So keep those legs uncrossed and those pathways open. Another, don't stand motionless for extended periods. Sitting or standing for long durations without movement can hinder blood circulation. Pro tip: if you must stand for a long time, shift your weight from one foot to the other every 30 seconds. Keep those fluids moving. Now let's talk about red flag warnings. Pay attention to your body's warning signs. If one leg swells up suddenly, especially if accompanied by a warm or discolored skin, seek immediate care. This could be a sign of a deep vein thrombosis, DVT, where a blood clot forms in a deep vein. Time is critical here. Early intervention is key to preventing potential complications. If you notice swelling in your feet along with shortness of breath or persistent coughing, don't hesitate to seek immediate medical attention. This combination could indicate a problem with your heart or lungs, which requires prompt evaluation. And here's another red flag. Shiny or stretched appearing skin around the swollen area. This could be a warning sign of a possible skin infection. Don't wait. Get it checked out. Prompt treatment can prevent the infection from spreading and getting worse. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share some bonus superfoods with you. While these won't magically erase swelling, they can complement your efforts. Cherries are a natural diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess sodium and water. Cucumber slices. You can either place cucumber slices directly on your feet or infuse your water with them. The water will have a slight cooling effect, soothing the affected area. Or try pineapple, particularly effective in reducing inflammation. Its enzyme bromelain aids digestion and reduces swelling. To gauge your progress, here's a simple success metric. By the end of the day, your sock marks should be less visible. If you can slip your shoes on more easily after 3 days, consider that a win. Also, test your skin. When you press it, does it rebound quickly? If it takes a while to return to normal, that's a positive sign. Improvement in blood circulation means reduced swelling. As always, consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and treatment plans. Remember, knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors to a healthier, happier you. Stay proactive, stay positive, and take charge of your well-being. Now here's your call to action. Tap the below if you'll try just one tip today. Share this video with your Bridge Club friends who might find it useful. And don't forget to bookmark it for future reference. For more visual guidance, check out these suggestions. The platform has already created split-screen videos comparing bad sitting positions to good ones. Additionally, you can zoom in on the image provided to see how to check for pitting edema. And finally, the platform suggests adding text overlay that says swollen 5+ days. See your doctor. This is a great reminder for viewers to seek medical attention when necessary. Would you like me to tailor any section further? Let me know in the comments. And remember, small changes, big results. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.